Did you know that Amazon.com is transforming the way we buy our Christmas gifts? With its vast selection, competitive prices, and convenient shopping experience, Amazon has become the go-to destination for holiday shopping. Here's a detailed overview of why Amazon is changing the game and how you can make the most of it. Amazon offers an unparalleled variety of products, from electronics and toys to clothing and home decor. This means you can find gifts for everyone on your list in one place. The convenience of shopping from home, combined with fast shipping options, makes it easy to get your gifts in time for the holidays. Plus, with features like gift wrapping and personalized messages, Amazon ensures your presents are ready to go under the tree. If you're ready to start, then search for products by entering keywords related to the item you're looking for in the search bar. You can filter results by category, price, brand, and more. Once you find the product you want, click Add to Cart. You can continue shopping or proceed to checkout. During the checkout process, review your cart and click Proceed to Checkout. Enter your shipping address and choose a delivery option. Amazon offers various shipping speeds, including same-day and two-day delivery for Prime members. When it's time to make your payment, select your payment method and enter your payment details. Amazon accepts credit cards, debit cards, and gift cards. Lastly, review your order details and click Place your order. You'll receive a confirmation email with your order details and estimated delivery date. One of the awesome things about Amazon is that they're committed to customer satisfaction. They offer an A to Z guarantee, which protects you when you buy items sold and fulfilled by third-party sellers. This guarantee covers the timely delivery and condition of your items. If you're not satisfied with your purchase, you can make a claim directly to Amazon for a refund. Additionally, Amazon's returns policy is designed to be hassle-free. Most items can be returned within 30 days of receipt of shipment. For the holiday season, Amazon extends the return window, allowing you to return items purchased between November 1st and December 31st until January 31st of the following year. If you ever need to initiate a return, go to the Returns Center on Amazon's website, select the item you want to return, and follow the instructions to print a return label and ship the item back. Now, to choose the best products on Amazon, consider the following tips. Read customer reviews. Reviews provide valuable insights into the quality and performance of a product. Look for products with a high number of positive reviews and a high overall rating. Check verified purchases. Reviews marked as verified purchase indicate that the reviewer actually bought the item on Amazon, adding credibility to their feedback. Use comparison tools. Amazon often provides comparison charts on product pages, allowing you to compare features, prices, and ratings of similar items. Look for Amazon's choice and best seller labels. These labels indicate popular and well-reviewed products, making it easier to find reliable options. So, if you're ready to save time and money and make your Christmas shopping a breeze, then click the link in the description to get your Christmas shopping done and dusted without ever leaving the house.